front of me is REALME Narzo 80 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now, if you can't see microphone icon at the top right corner, click on this gear, select voice typing, and use gray switcher to activate it. Then go back to your keyboard and click on No Visible Microphone. If you never used it before, click on Allow while using in the pop-up, and then start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can pause or click on the same microphone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!